Hey everybody, this is Evan and this is my page, Let's Do This. This is my garage when I got started. This is my first pop-up camper renovation and this is what it looked like when I was done. These projects will keep rolling in the background as I talk. I just wanted to take a second to say thank you. There's been a lot of new subscribers, a lot of new interest, getting a lot of new comments. And I just wanted to explain a little bit about my page, what I'm all about. I just want to help everybody save time and money. My expertises are more meat, wood building, DIY, and it's not that I'm good at these things, it's that I want to save money. I'm going to look into how to fix things myself. Things aren't getting any cheaper. If you want to get a sump pump installed, sump pump's $250, someone install it $500. Clean out your water brine tank, $500. Seems like that's kind of the going price of everything. This DIY audio slotted ceiling, that would have cost you thousands of dollars, and I probably did it for $300-400 using wood that I cut myself. This vinyl window, I avoided getting new windows altogether. I just used this vinyl stick on, and it kept the kids' room cool, so I didn't even have to get new windows. So it's things like that, not necessarily cheap fixes, good solid things that are going to save you money, not just kick the can down the road. I'm learning a lot as I do this too. I've never put in a carburetor before. I've never rebuilt one. Now I've done 3 swaps this year and rebuilt a carb. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and explain things. And if you want to save some money and, get on to your next project, like, subscribe, and share.